Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name blue color, red color, green color, brown color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use blue color. 2, the numbers of 2. 3, the numbers of 3. 4, the numbers of 4. 5, the numbers of 5. And again use blue color. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6. And use red color. 7, the numbers of 7. 8, the numbers of 8. Kids again use red color and draw 9, the numbers of 9. 10, the numbers of 10. And again use red color. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11. And use green color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13, the numbers of 13. And again use green color. 14, the numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15, the numbers of 15. And again use green color. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16. And use brown color. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18, the numbers of 18. And again use brown color. Kids now draw 19, the numbers of 19. And again use brown color. 20, the numbers of 20. And again use brown color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.